Ako happy kasi nag-start. First na ko na-encounter si JM, napanood ko yung pelikula niya sa Himalaya.
Oo nga eh.
Tapos I was impressed talaga. As in, sabi gusto ko maka-work itong actor na to. So, yung night na yun, nag-research ako, tapos nakita ko nga yung love team
Na meron palang Jacob Yang.
JM Yang. Tapos, nanonood ako ng clips nila. Pinipilig ako eh. Tapos, a few days later, minessage ko na si Keith. Sabi ko,
Kabinet!
Keith, bro, bawal yung bilhin mo. So,
Wow.
ayun. Tapos, and luckily, nasa kanila
Yung
contract.
yung contract ng dalawa.
So, ayun. Everything fell into place. So, thank you sa generosity ni Keith and Juan Marcel. Na natuloy yung pelikula, ito na siya, visual sa basics.
Sir Kim, grabe naman talagang good words sa kanila when we did Shake, Rattle, and Roll. So when Direk Dan said na gawa tayong pelikula with Jacob Yang, what was in your mind? Right away, agad ba? Sabi mo, yes, let's do it.
Yeah, medyo agad na. Kasi I had the experience of working with Jane Yang sa Shake. And so kind of sa Rush Stones sa Shake, they were so good. So my mom and I were thinking, ano kaya pwedeng next project namin with Jane Yang? So good timing, tumawag si director. Actually, Facebook Messenger yata niya ako tinawag. Sabi niya, how's Jane Yang? Gusto niya mag-pitch for concept with them. So we said yes right away.
Wow.
Yeah, it was good timing.
Okay. Thank you, Sir Keith. Direk Dan, susulitin ko na ito kasi ang dami mo namang offers for a rom-com, why a JM Fiang for a comeback?
Ayun lang ako si Dalawa.
Oh.
Hindi talaga, as in, tapos ito nga, na-impress talaga ako dun sa Himalaya. Tapos from there, yung deep dive talaga ako. Alam mo yung one of those nights na nagsimula ka lang sa isang video, tapos maya 4 AM na pala, tapos over JM Fiang yung pinapanood ko. Tapos, ayun, sabi ko, I really want to work with these two.
Direk, anong nauna? The JM Fiang or the material?
Nauna yung JM Fiang, tapos kasama ko isa yung associate producer, si Angel. Tapos nag-iisip kami ng concept. Kasi Angel ay isang Gen Z. So parang uso sa mga Gen Z yung AU or alternate universe. So from there, batuhan kami ng ideas for a film. Tapos yun na, nabuhay na yung story about this girl na obsessed sa isang idol na may best friend na idol for her.
Pero kasi ikaw master director when it comes to rom-com, kaya sabi ko, swerte ng dalawa na for launch movie nila, Dan Villegas ang titira. I mean, sorry pero I'm just the proudest na ikaw yung gumagawa ng pelikula nila, Director.
Salamat po. Pero swerte kami lahat na maayos yung cast. Super solid kami.
So when Sir Keith, sinabi niya sa akin, EJ, I've never seen a script as beautiful as this one. Remember, one morning, you called me up, kinikento mo sa akin, EJ, ang ganda-ganda ng script pa lang yon. Sir Keith, when you learned about the story na present with Direk Dan and his teammates, what was the reaction? Right away, gusto mo na?
Yes. Kasi when I read the script, usually like when I read scripts, I edit stuff. Pero the whole time I was reading the script, all I can think of was JM Fiang. Kasi sobrang bagay yung scripts kanila. So I was just laughing the entire time I was reading it.
Kasi at 9 in the morning, you were raving about it, Sir Keith. I remember that, di ba? Sabi mo, gawin na natin. Ganon yung energy ni Sir Keith in doing, at the time, ipapantay na until finally nag-decide that team na we're doing almost us. Okay. At this point, we'd like to hear from the members of the cast, starting off with